Hey there, welcome back to Spirit of a Handyman. Today we're talking about how to put a window in an opening with aluminum siding.
He's got the spirit of a handyman. A handyman.
So basically what we're up against here is that this opening is 24 by 36. The window is 24 by 36, but it came with a nail flange around the edge. And so we have to find a way to get this into this opening, get it watertight and sealed up and everything nice. So some challenges that come with that. Let's check that out. 36 inches, 24 inches, except with this nail fin, it's gonna end up being like 40 inches by 28 or something. So this is great for new construction, but for old construction, we want to cut these off so that we're actually down to just the window. And then we'll end up, instead of surface mounting it, we'll drill some pilot holes and screw it into the opening. All right, first step is just to check the rough opening, make sure we've got the space that we need. You see it's just barely hanging on the aluminum there, but I think that we can just pop it in through there. Went ahead and wrapped it so it goes around the edge, so any water that were to get in down here, it'll hit this instead of soaking into the wood and just roll down the front of the house. So we're ready to go ahead and put that in. Again, the tricky part of this is going to be the aluminum, getting it to look finished on the siding. So right now we have the window roughed in, but there's no J-channel along the edge. Here's that J-channel. So we could remove the window and put the J-channel in. Looks something like that. The question is, what does that really buy us as far as weather protection is concerned? Here's another window that we did just last week, and the J-channel is in there, but really I think what we want to do is go back, because that's not a great finished look, is we're going to go back and just caulk all of that in from underneath where this edge is, and just fill all of these cavities with caulking. And I think that's going to be a better finished look. I think that's actually going to effectively be what the J-channel would do, just doing it with a silicone caulk instead of with aluminum. So we'll still do a piece up here, but otherwise I think that'll be a easier finish. So we've got this piece of J-channel in here now. Yeah, go ahead and wiggle that head. So any water that does come down from the outside will get caught in that and run over to the edge. And then we're going to create a little channel with our caulking so that as that water comes down, it just sheds to the outside of the aluminum. So now we push the window back in. Now we've got the window roughed in, we're going to check for level. And I'm also checking this. Cool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill some pilot holes through one. This is double layer vinyl. I'm going to put a pilot hole through this layer, one up here, one down here, and then I'll set a screw in through either side. 4 screws total, and that will hold the window in place. Then the expanding foam is going to come in around the edge and seal all that up, and that's really going to create an extra tight bond where this window isn't going to go anywhere. I didn't get a good shot of how I actually did this, but I'll just describe it. You can see the screw right in there. I took a drill, I think it was a 1/4 inch drill bit, and went through one of the 2 layers of vinyl, and then just that created like the pilot hole, set the screws in there, and that held it in place. Then on the outside, we took this silicone caulk, filled it along in between the window. Because this window had a vinyl casing built onto the outside, this really was actually a pretty ideal setup, and we just filled that in. Looks really sharp. So there you have it. That's how to put a new window in an existing frame with aluminum siding. At least that's how I did it. If you are a pro or you've done something like this before, then please comment down below about how you would do it. Let's grow together as a community. But hopefully this empowers the DIYer inside of you to go out there and do it yourself. Hey, click that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time for Spirit of a Handyman.